As you can see this, we have completed this tutorial, and we created a beautiful professional CV template here. And I also export this file in a PDF format. You can also export your CV and resume in a PDF format. So that this is criteria of the professional CV, that you have to convert your Microsoft Word CV resume file into the PDF format. And whenever you are sending your CV to any organization for employment and for any kind of a job, so you have to convert your Microsoft Word file in a PDF format. So as you see that I have created this professional template with a different colored theme. You can also convert your desired colored theme and change this color to your desired theme. As I said that I will provide the downloading link in the description of this video. So if you like this video tutorial, you must have to like this video please, and subscribe to our channel and share this video as much as you can. So here I'm going to stop this video, and we will meet in the next CV template, as I have one more template here. We will soon inshallah create this CV template, and I have many other templates that we are going to cover in our video tutorials. So for now I'm going to stop this tutorial. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.